Hello friends, today we are learning in this video how to create this effect like Superman and Krish. Okay, now delete this video. First of all, record a green screen video and then download cloud video any website or YouTube. First of all, drag a green screen video. Okay, now play. Select rotate. Now selection tool, click here, here, here and here. Now click, right click, go to effect, then go to click King Key Light 1.2, then OK. Now go to selection tool, press OK. Go to screen matte, open screen matte. Now reduce white color in this place. Yes. Now OK. Then go to final result. Now drag cloud video. Select video. Then right click. Go to time reverse layer. Just drag. Okay, now OK. Yeah. Now click green screen, go to effect, King Key Light 1.2 and now selection tool, just OK. Now OK. Then go to layer, new layer, solid layer, then color blue and press OK and drag this file down flying cloud. Okay, now OK. See this effect. Okay, thanks for watching and never miss like, share and subscribe.
I torture you. I'm a slave to your